This is Damien's suggestion. Coming for you, Damien. You ready?
Yep.
Now my britches are going to fall down, probably. All right. Pythagoreans were a really crazy cult. I did a little research on them. They only wore white. They didn't have any possessions at all. They gave them all. They lived communally. Like, I think in 4th century BC, a long time ago. And students had to listen for 3 years without saying a word. They couldn't even interrupt their professors or their teachers. And the people around them didn't like them very well. They wound up burning their houses down and stuff and sending them down the road. They really didn't like them. Anyway, they were a cult of mathematicians. You can look it up if you want. A good video to watch on that would be the Pythagorean hippies or the math hippies. Anyway, here we go, another Pythagorean theorem. And you start out with the formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where this guy has to be the long side of a right triangle. Right triangle means it's got 90 degrees in the corner. So, plugging in values, this guy right here, 25 has got to go right here. And this could be either A or B, it doesn't matter, you can flip and flop those. So I'm just going to call this one 20B. And A squared is our unknown, this guy. So this is A now. Alrighty now, working from there, 20 squared is going to be like 400. And I did all this work. The only thing we don't know is A. We want to isolate the variable, which is him. We want A all by itself on one side of the equation. So this guy's got to leave, the square's got to go. And we want the numbers over here on this side, A on this side. So to get rid of that 400, that sitting duck, easy guy, we can subtract 400. And remember the rule, whatever you do to the left, you got to do the right. This collapses to A squared is equal to, these guys cancel, 225. Now, we don't want A squared, remember that. We want A by its lonesome. So to undo a square
is square root.
Square root it. Because these guys cancel each other, and that's cool because that gives us A alone. But remember, if I square root this side, I got to do it over here. This is asking what two numbers, when multiplied, that are exactly the same, will give you 225. And the answer to that, you know what it is? Guess.
I guess 1 billion.
What?
I don't know. You said guess.
You're psycho. 1 billion.
You
The
said
square
guess.
root, two numbers multiplied are going to give you 225.
Yep, because totally 1 billion times 1 billion equals total of 225. No, it's a billion.
Well, what's 12 times 12? You know
12
that
times
one.
12 is 144.
So you know it's bigger than 12.
Yeah. And 25 times 25 is 500. So it's lower.
Here's a clue.
Okay.
Watch this. What's the square root of 25?
Square root of 25 is 5. So it's something 5.
Yeah. What would it be?
15.
Bam! It's 15. And that is the answer.
I'm not dumb, peeps. I'm not.
What?
Because it took me a minute to think about that.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
And well,
Kill it.
I don't want to kill it, but okay.